Today, I am speaking on the back pain and its management. Around 60-80% of population experiences back pain at some time in their lives. And this pain can range from muscle aching to a stabbing sensation. There are common symptoms are there. Pain on lower back sometimes, both sides of buttocks adjacent to sacral area. Pain with local tenderness also may be left. Pain becomes severe and does not improve with rest. That's also another present symptoms. Persists in pain for a few weeks. It doesn't subside sometimes. Spreads down one or both legs, especially if the pain extends below the knees sometimes. Causes weakness, numbness, aggravates on coughing, sneezing. Pain increases with the lifting, long standing, or walking. There are some other conditions where medical attention is very much needed, emergency attention is needed. The symptoms like unexpected and unexplained weight loss, bladder or bowel problems, fever, and these symptoms or this may be due to some other reasons, very serious reasons in the system. There are various causes like spinal injury or degenerative changes of vertebra or disc at multiple levels. There are various causes cited for this back pain. Muscle or ligament strain, bulging or ruptured discs and that can press a nerve compression, otherwise you can say. Osteoarthritis can affect the low back ache, causing spinal stenosis. Osteoporosis leading to bones porous and brittle. That's also a case commonly seen nowadays associated with back pain. Other factors which causes back pain are age. It's very common when you get older, starting around the age when the age becomes over 40 or 45 like that. The lack of exercises, weak unused muscles in your back and abdomen might lead to back pain. The lack of exercise is a reason for various spinal diseases. Then excess weight also can put extra stress on your back. Then improper lifting, use your back instead of your legs can lead to back pain. Improper lifting of weights that can cause some sort of back pain. Then psychological conditions also can cause. People prone to depression and anxiety appear to have greater risk of back pain. Then smoking. Smokers have increased rate of back pain. This may occur because smoking prompts more coughing, which can lead to herniated disc, leading to much back pain. Smoking can also decrease blood flow to the spine and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Then coming to the treatments, considering the nature of pathological condition, medicines and treatments differs considerably. Anyhow, it consists of internal and external medications of herbal origin. The principle of treatment in Ayurveda lies on the Tridosha concept. And the dosha predominance is evaluated considering the symptomatology or otherwise the presenting complaints. In the situation of disc bulge, come narrow root compression, which is very common nowadays, we start with reducing the local inflammation by external application of medicated paste at the site of pain in lower back region. This is much effective in reducing the pain inflammations in between or otherwise we can say intervertebral disc spaces. Churna Pindasveda to be done without oil initially, and later when the tenderness get reduced, oil application could be started. In certain cases, Dhanyamala Pindasveda, that means that also relieve the pain and swelling, local swelling, also will be beneficial initially. Next step will be Pindasveda using appropriate oils to relieve the pain. So initially we start with the ruksha or dry treatment, and later after a period of time you can apply the oil. The next will be Labana or external paste, which I told earlier could be done or it could be continued. And lastly, after a minimum period of 7 days, Virejana or induced purgation to be done, followed with the Panchakarma procedures like Kashayavasti and Snehavasti, which will produce a complete cure of the illness. This is very, very common in good practices. These procedures are also suggested in degenerative conditions, also accepting the Chuvannapanda. Here, predominantly medicated oils are used. Actually, Vasti Karma, one among the Panchakarmas, found to be very much useful, and there is a designated or special Vasti formulations are designated for reducing this back pain. In joint related problems, particular medicinal formulations are used and necessary laboratory investigations also to be done. Lab investigations will be useful in many conditions, which will give a correct idea of what is happening in the disc areas. It is a fact that once the pressure inside the joint cavity gets relieved, the disc naturally gets retracted into the original position and pain gets subsided. In the case of overweight, weight reduction treatment also to be done to reduce the lower back pain. There are commonly used medicines are there. Dasna Saptagam Kashayam, Dasna Panchagam Kashayam, then certain oils to be added in the morning kashayams like Nirgundi Aranda Thailam. Then Sahajaradi Thailam. Sahajaradi Thailam mixed with this Dasna Saptagam Kashayam will be much effective in the radiating pain. The pain radiates in the both legs. Then Yogiraju Gulugulu, Tab Sahajaradi Thailam, Thanutiram Thailam, Karpuradi Thailam is also good for pain relieving oils. Proper exercises and limited ambulation for a limited period of time is very much advised. Learn to relax, regular dieting, and quit smoking also give good results. Thank you.